Well, I've been in practice for 28 years as a family physician, and we've always used computers for some aspect of the office practice. But before, I never knew on any given day if the computers were going to work or not. I never knew if there was a problem, how long it was going to take to fix it. I never knew if what I had was really warranted or not, if it was just some kind of makeshift thing that was put together. I never really knew what I had.
Prior to our new system that we have today, we basically were run by people that weren't IT professionals.
Our company 5 years ago, the IT department was myself and the president's son. The president's son went off to school, left me with way too much to do, so therefore it was very chaotic.
And three major areas I focus on. One is security. We want to make sure that their network is secure from outside hackers. Second is I want to look at how are they backing up their data? How is they storing their data? If that one application that they need suddenly falls down, what is their secondary plan? What do they do then? We're the virtual IT department, but more so than that, we are their technical advisors.
After 16 workstations and several calls to outside sources to help us with our network, we decided that it was time to make a change.
My practice has gone through some major changes in the last 5 years, and Larry has been a big part of that. He's guided us and shown us how to make it workable, how to make it easy, how to protect really personal, private information, to make sure we're following the guidelines and the rules, and to make sure that that isn't a major part of our day. I really want to pay attention to my patients. I don't want to worry about the mechanics, and he's made that possible.
He's done a phenomenal job of changing applications, changing out computers. Anytime the server has any kind of issues, Larry's able to remote in.
The foremost thing we do when we first engage with the company is to sit down and understand and listen what that company does. We're with you, we're meeting with you with your budgets, we're forecasting out when we're going to replace computers, when are we going to look at upgrades, do we even need to make an upgrade?
Our company works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're an emergency contractor. It's nice to have the support we need from IntegrIT, which is a great name for the IT company that is on call for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
That's what it's all about. The quicker you can respond, that's your competitive edge for small businesses. And with small businesses, today, the networks that we set up can give them the same type of advantages as a big business. It's no longer a disadvantage that you could be a 2 or 3 man shop and you can compete with a shop that's 3 times your size.
He said that we could save money with this business class server and improve our productivity, and 6 months later we have.
IntegrIT is a great name because that's really a bottom line. If you don't have integrity, if you don't believe the person you're working with has integrity, then it's really hard to trust them, particularly with personal information, financial information, and the kinds of things that I work with. I have to depend on people that they're honest and reliable and they have integrity.
He's proven that there's really nothing to worry about, and he is a solid man, and I really appreciate the service that he's given us.
IntegrIT is a phenomenal name for Larry's business. He takes great pride in making sure that all of our needs are taken care of.
Well, that's the biggest compliment my clients can tell me, is that we don't see you as a vendor. We see you as a valid team member and we really rely on you and trust your judgment. You don't know who to trust. And with IntegrIT Network Solutions, what I constantly heard from my clients was that they appreciate the fact that I give them a straight answer.